What if the weather was in your hands? What would you do? Would you make it rain, stop a hurricane? If you could decide when it's sunny or when it's cool, what kind of world would that be? There's a profession that's trying to answer exactly that question: climate engineering. One of the biggest global challenges of the future is the climate crisis. Droughts, sudden floods, heat waves, air pollution. These aren't just on the news anymore, they're right in the middle of our lives. And this is where climate engineers come into play. Climate engineers are the people who shape nature using science and technology. They don't just predict the weather, they actually change it. Ever heard of artificial rain? Planes spray certain chemicals into clouds to trigger rainfall. This method is already being used in countries like China, the UAE, and the USA. But that's not all. To lower temperatures in big cities, they design reflective surfaces. They set up massive filtering systems to reduce air pollution. In some projects, they're even working on special coatings to slow down the melting of polar ice. But this job requires extreme precision. One wrong move could disrupt the balance of nature. That's why climate engineers need to be highly educated and extremely responsible. To get into this field, people usually study environmental engineering, physics, or meteorology. But now, skills like artificial intelligence, data science, and coding are just as important. Because future climate control systems will be fully digital. And the pay? Experienced professionals can earn between $5,000 and $20,000 per month. So in the end, this career isn't just about science, it's about protecting the planet and shaping the future. And maybe one day, the person adjusting the climate, balancing the skies, and impacting millions of lives could be you. Because the next generation won't just watch nature, they'll direct it.